All right, today we're going to start off the video addressing the elephant in the room, which is the massive crash on XRP. Who could have foreseen this? Well, here we go. All right, guys, I'm going to start with this. Look at this, guys.
And you as a that you've identified, you can do it.
All right, look at this.
Yet another position to actually.
This was 2 weeks ago.
But as you know, with cryptocurrency,
I said that we'll be testing this level right over here, and I drew a line at 27325. First and foremost, okay? First things first, let's address this price action that happened right there. What did I tell you guys? We identified a bearish divergence here on the higher highs with the lower lows that formed on the 8-hour chart. Let's actually whip it up. No, it was bigger than that. It was a daily chart, right? And I genuinely thought, okay, this is coming down. This is on its way down, guys. And so when that, no, it was a 1-hourly chart, wasn't it? Yeah, is that line there that we've identified? Here we go. It was here. Boom, 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 boom. Bearish divergence as it went up, and then boom, we expected a short-term trade after that, guys. If you got into a short back then, right? Incredible, absolutely incredible. 47% gain on top of that. If you're on 10x leverage, that is 470% gain that you'd have been sitting on. Okay, so that began the bearish short-term trend for XRP. I know all of the XRP nuts are out there going, oh yeah, XRP is going to go to the moon. You're an idiot. It's not going to freaking age. This was my favorite comment right here. Look at this. Yeah, I'm reading the comments. This will not age well 2 weeks ago with Matt smiley face. It aged exactly the way it should have. Okay, look at this line. 2.73 was the line that I genuinely expected it to go. Guess what? This level right here. What happened there, guys? This happened while I was on holidays, okay? This was what? This right there, 2.295. How can it be better than that? 2.295. How did that region occur, okay? Ready? Okay, that is the top of the rising level of support that we've seen, not to mention the very bottom of the recent price indecision, like so, and that's why that was a very strong level of support where it did bounce off of. I did say that price action will go down here and will fly up from there for a while, and it did. And that's another amazing gain. Like, even if you got into a long trade on this downward trend, you would have made heaps of money. Let's actually look at that. Okay, that is a 14% gain, 18%, 118%. 180% is what would be able to go on a 10x leverage on that one for those futures traders. I mean, really, you've watched this channel because of futures trading. Oh, by the way, your boys got some merch from Bitunix because I've been talking about the exchange a long time, so they hooked me up with some merch and all that, which is all good. And we can see that price action sort of test that level once again there, which you know, obviously we do expect. Okay, so why did this crash happen? Okay, this is why you need to subscribe to my channel. Okay, what did I say? In the previous video. What did I say in the previous video? Let's have a look at this.
So if it's going to do that, it's going to do 95.
Okay, shush.
What is happening point is that, you know, in the next, on the weekly liquidation charts as well, there is a massive liquidation being formed around the 95 to 96.
Did I not say there is a massive liquidation level forming at 95,000? So you want to explain XRP and why it crashed so much? Well, here we go. I did say in that video as well that if Bitcoin goes to these levels, XRP will see a new low as well. Like it's going to see a pretty low price as well, which, you know, that's where the support is. Of course, XRP is going to explore those values once again. We've identified a bearish trend, okay, from the bearish divergence that we've seen. I'm going to do a tutorial video on all of these on a separate video. You guys need to subscribe so that you can spot these moves like early on, like I'm doing every single time. Look, I've been saying in this channel, drawing this red line, guys, these are all the historical drawings. I don't erase them. Why erase the historical analysis? It's all there. This is my journal, guys. As you can see, we've seen a sideways price action, okay? This sideways, chopping sideways action, we've seen in 2024 in March all the way to about October. That's a 7-month choppy sideways price action. We've just begun it. November 2024, we might see it all the way through to June, if not to July, potentially stretching out to August. And that's gonna muster up enough momentum to then give another leg up to Bitcoin. And that's what we're going to see with Bitcoin and how that's going to move. I think by the end of the year, it's going to have another leg up. And I think we're basically the end. And because a giant bearish divergence is forming on a much, much longer time frame, which I can't be stuff showing you. But you guys have a look at it yourself and you'll know. I have been saying within these price action, these regions, the price action will fluctuate. Go ba, 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 ba. Okay? Literally, that's what I said the price action will do in between for, I think, about a similar amount of time. That's what we've been covering in this channel, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm no surprised that the price action is coming here, guys. It's obviously bouncing off a very, very, very strong level of support that has been rejected multiple times. And so what? Okay, what happens when that price action went down there? We saw that it went down to 99k, and that liquidated some of the what is it, the longs, and then it's gone down even more and it's liquidated more longs. And I said initially it'd be 99, and in that video that I said it might go as low as 95 and below. So that's where we are right now, guys, 95 and below. Because if you see that video once again, the cloud of liquidation actually lies further below to this level. I mean, my face covers it. Lucky that it's still handsome. But that's sitting around about that 91k. And exactly that's happened. So where is the price action moving next? This is the question. Well, you know what? A lot of people will just go, yeah, okay, we'll set the support. So I'm guessing it's going to obviously, fly up back into that top region and see what happens. And it might test up there and come back down and then go up there again. And then maybe come back down and test back down here again. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, but we need to know, okay, what's another thing that adds more possibility of that happening? Who says this is not going to break down below? Well, it might. And it might just do this cruel thing where it breaks down, okay? And it might test this level here again, okay? It might test this level here again. But the thing is, it's very unlikely that that's going to break. I personally think anyway, but that doesn't mean it's never going to break. But what we do look at is we look at the current, okay? We look at the current. I'm going to scroll this up a little bit more, okay? See this here? See all these clouds of liquidations here, okay? That all just got liquidated. Where is the next liquidation line? Long-term, 1 month liquidation line. It's all up here now. It's above the 100K. You watch Bitcoin go back up to 100K now. I mean, it could go down below that 90K mark down here, okay? Because there are still some liquidations to hit, but there aren't that many. I feel like this liquidation up here is going to be more magnetizing, okay, this level, because everyone's going, yeah, Bitcoin's fucked, it's gonna go, we got to all short this market, okay, but Bitcoin level goes up here, and then the market, all those shorts get liquidated. This is the Binance, okay, liquidation map. Binance basically makes money every time you liquidate, basically. All right. So Binance is obviously the biggest exchange, so they're evil. So obviously they're gonna want to liquidate everything. So if we got a 3-day chart on the, I'm just looking at this chart because I'm genuinely interested. Okay, here we go. All right, there's no more liquidation below, guys. I think, look, maybe there's a leg down, but there's just so much more liquidations to hit above this. All right, everyone's going, yeah, Bitcoin is fucked. We're gonna go, we're gonna short the market. We're gonna put the stop loss, sort of up here, stop loss sort of around that area there. Surely if it goes above this level, the trend's gonna change. So that's why they're pricing in a lot of the short liquidations and they're setting up their trade so that it just liquidates around those levels. Yeah. We all know that. So that's why it's gonna go up there. And when that happens, there's gonna be a whole bunch of liquidation levels forming around this price action here as well. So I think they give a pretty good indication of where we're going, both short term, medium term, 1 week. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, all the liquidation is gone. There's a massive liquidation up here. Yeah, so it's going to be super magnetized up to those levels again. Okay, so when that happens, what do you think XRP is going to do? Well, guess what? Bitcoin. This is why my follower, my subscribers trade, altcoins and make heaps of fucking money. 17% backed up to the top level of resistance there. Whereas XRP, I feel like there is a very, this is a massive. That's the price action here, guys, and that's how low it went. But basically, I think a new support, I think we can confidently say has formed around here and potentially here, like around that region there because of this previous price action there. If you caught the long from here, congratulations, like well done. That's pretty freaking impressive. If that's the case and we actually explore the similar highs that we have done before, or even if it just goes up to that level before, okay, we're looking at a pretty good risk reward ratio. That there's 15%, that there's 22, and any kind of price action up here is going to be hitting the 30s at the moment, which means if you leverage that at 10x on exchanges like Bitunix that we speak about on this exchange, you will be able, on this channel, you will be able to make around 300% gain, which is amazing. Go to the link in the description below. Anything blue right there, bang, bang, click on those and I'm hooking you up, guys. Only how many more days there? 1 week left on this on this deposit bonus, guys. 20% deposit bonus. Click on the referral link. And why is it that we like Bitunix so much? Well, you've seen the platform and how good it is and how clean it is to trade with. Okay, not to mention What have we got? Okay, we've got Bitunix eases digital asset management for users through partnership with CoinStats. Okay, this is just cool, I guess. This is not something that I personally use, but more importantly, there is some extra info. This is just something that I whipped up. You know, there's a lot of stuff online at the moment about how good Bitunix is doing. So obviously, I am somebody that, you know, follows information. So I go, oh, well, this is cool. There's multilingual support, but this is my favorite, guys. What exceeds 1-to-1 ratio on reserves? FTX is like, what? So this is really, really good, and this is a very, very recent news. Based on the based on this report here, the reserve rates far exceed 1.1-to-1, which is really, really good. It means your money in Bitunix is very, very safe. Not to mention, it is rewarded 2024's most trusted exchange, which I think is quite amazing. Not to mention, guys, this is the best feature about Bitunix is that you can trade without KYC. Without KYC, you are able to withdraw up to $500,000 every day, which I think is pretty freaking amazing. You can on-ramp your crypto, I think even on this one, on this exchange as well. But if you sign up using the link in the description below and make those deposits, you will be getting these bonuses as well. This has been the all reliable exchange for myself and many other whales around YouTube as well. So if you are a friend of the channel, you subscribe, then it's pretty weird that you don't have a Bitunix account yet. So make sure you get around to it. Link is in the description below. Just scroll down, click the blue link, and you are on your way, ready to go. And let's get back to the video. So if that happens, right? So what we want to know is XRP going to then go back up to these previous levels? It is likely. It is likely. I genuinely feel that if Bitcoin goes up to the previous levels where there's a lot of liquidation up here, like back to the 108, 110K mark, which I think, you know, the technical lines are I guess the liquidation levels line up as well. I think we're gonna see. I don't know how quickly we're gonna shoot up there, but I think the levels are calling. Literally, these green lines are calling. These guys are screaming for price actions to get back up there because that will make Binance a lot of money. That's why we don't like Binance. If you're trading on Binance, what the heck are you doing? So come the next week or so, I do see that Bitcoin will get up to those levels, which means that XRP is going to be having once again guys, face melting gains. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.